Today I'll show you how to take apart your hard drive for your Xbox 360. Oh, well, if you're wondering where I got that from, it's off my iPod. There. Add it in the pack. First you need a Torax like key set or something. I think it's a T6 or T7, I'm not sure. Oh, what work? First you have to rip the square sticker on the bottom of your HD drive, hard drive, and then just unscrew the screws. You just have to take that piece off to do this one, but don't forget that voids your warranty. So if it breaks or anything, you can't send it back. It's a bit of a pain. I ain't going. I was going to pause the video and I'll show you when I'm done taking the screws off. Right, some problems with the last screw because it kept slipping and it's kind of the screw, so I'm going to leave that out and I'll put it back in next time. Right, now what you have to do, all screws are moved and you have to open it carefully. Open it the way you'd have it on your Xbox, otherwise all components will fall out. Right, lift the back up first and push it forward and it should come off there. And you have problems if that falls out there. So okay, if that falls out, push it back in. If it falls out, you've got a problem. Right, now what you have to do is use a T10, I think it is. Background. Go find the right piece. Yep, it's a T9 or T10. Right, I'm gonna pause the video. All you have to do. Whoop, actually, maybe not. Just take these 4 screws out, one there, one there, one there, one there. Simple. Oh, and before you do this, touch some metal and don't wear a woolly top because you can fry the hard drive. So that means, in other words, it won't work. Right, now that's all screws now. All you do is pull that off, and there you go. Push at the top and pull down the hard drive. Then you have to do bend these 2 clips, that's what I do. Push down the bottom and pull that. That is the 20 GB hard drive. Hope you liked my video. Please leave a comment, and if you want any more videos made, just tell me and I'll make them. Thank you.